Is it possible in a warehouse with limited height and space? For Way Shuttle System can be successfully installed and operated even in warehouses with limited space and height. Installing the storage rack structure. Every position is measured and aligned according to engineering standards to ensure strength, accuracy, and system safety. Installation of the counterweight for the shuttle lift system, which plays a key role in moving the shuttle between rack levels. Despite vertical space limitations, the system is designed to maximize every available area. Checks the alignment of the structure and shuttle rails to ensure precise movement and minimize deviation. All components undergo mechanical and system testing to guarantee operational reliability and performance. This system is not only about machines, but also integrated with WMS/WCS/ERP software for full automation control. From storage operations, to product retrieval, to fast and systematic movement. Space and height limitations are no longer barriers with the right design and expert team. For Way Shuttle System can transform your small warehouse into a high-efficiency smart warehouse. The great system always starts with a design that truly understands the customer's space.